Hi, this is Shravani from ABK Media India Private Limited. I'm here for the movie and as well as to the artist festival also. So I am in love with Goa as well as the art gallery, the movie screenings, everything is a huge complex here. I loved the Goa festival vibe and everyone is so excited. Everyone is so happy for the festival. Even I am. This is my first experience of Goa International Film Festival as International Film Festival here. So I'm very happy for the festival. Thank you so much.
Have you seen any movie?
Actually, not. We are here from past 3 days, but I can't see any kind of movie. But today, as well as I'll see the movie at night.
Have you attended the inauguration ceremony?
Yeah, I've attended the inauguration ceremony. It was very great. It was a blast that day, and I enjoyed a lot. The whole artists, the community, everyone was very polite and kind. The media as well as it was very great experience for me.
Is it your first time to visit Iffi or you have?
No, it's my first time for the Iffi. I've attended other festivals as in film festival, but Iffi is my first experience ever, and it's a very great experience for all the time. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
मेरा नाम दिव्या मेहरा है और हम सब पुणे से हैं एबीके की तरफ से एबीके मीडिया इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और ये मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है गोवा में और मैंने सिर्फ सुना था इस फेस्टिवल के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड किया है और यहाँ के लोग इतने फ्रेंडली है इतने अच्छे हैं और बहुत सपोर्टिव है और एनर्जी तो मैं बता नहीं सकती बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी है यहाँ की और ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है मेरा यहाँ पर
ओवरऑल मैनेजमेंट का क्या है आपका सीन लाइक मैनेजमेंट कैसा लगा आपको? आपने वर्कशॉप भी लिया बोला तो
हाँ हमने एक वर्कशॉप लिया और बस वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए वर्कशॉप था हमारा क्योंकि हम बिज़नेस में थोड़े से बिजी थे तो पर एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल अच्छा था हम लोगों का और मेरी लाइफ का पहला वर्कशॉप था ये क्योंकि मैंने उससे पहले कोई वर्कशॉप भी नहीं लिया है सो वो भी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था और डेफिनेटली मैं बार बार इस फेस्टिवल का पार्ट तो बनना चाहूँगी और बहुत अच्छा मैनेजमेंट है यहाँ का बहुत अच्छा एंड गोवा इज़ द वेरी 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 स्वीट सिटी आई कैन दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड टाइम इन गोवा सो या ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस गुड था मैम थैंक यू सो मच
Hi, this is Shomjit here from ABK Media Entertainment. We are Indian partners for our movie A Fragile Flower, which is basically an Indo-Vietnamese collaboration. The Vietnamese movie is being launched now. 23rd is our premiere and 26th is our premiere and we are inviting everybody for this. It has been a great experience. This is my second year with Iffi. Last year we are here for the same movie for the closing ceremony for the trailer and this year we have been invited exclusively as a consulate partner for this movie and we are looking more and more people, specifically people from Goa also to come and see the movie. We are inviting everybody. It's always as usual Goa is a lovely place and we experience the beauty and the vibrancy of it. So welcome everybody from ABK for A Fragile Flower. Thank you. Thank you.